Hello guys, and welcome back to my first unboxing on my channel. It is 2 packages from Kendama. Let's get right into it. Here's your receipt. Packaging. And what I have in this package is 2 gurs. The first one is the frostbite. The next one is the gummy. Okay, let's get the next package opened. Oh, I need to open a box. There we go. And here's the other receipt. And what I got in this package is the aqua blue raw stripes in. Let's get these taken out of the boxes and see how they play. String pack. I'll get all of them unboxed before I use them. Another string pack. Finally, the last one. And the last string pack. I got no stickers, but that's fine. I did get stickers. They're on the bottom of these. And once again, there is blue paint on the bottom of the base cup. But there's none on the small cup, so that's good. Let's see how these play. Oh wow, this spike is short. Should go down as I play it, but I can't really see me, but nope. Balance isn't bad. It's good for a natty. Oh wow, water balance is really good. The bevel isn't quite smooth on that inside, so the spike has a hard time going in, but that's fine. This is my second raw stripes in, and I should have another package from Kenco coming. It'll be here in probably 5 days. It's my yellow paint stripes in, and they finally restocked, so I'm so happy. That's the one that I originally wanted to get, but they were sold out. finally got the Swing Gunslinger spike. Okay, let's get to the other ones. Here's the gummy. It's really nice. You can see the grain through the gummy. Like the three-way fade. The green, orange, and pink. Purplish. Again, this spike is very, very short, but I should probably close my night. They'll probably go down as I play it. Got it. Ah. Jeez. Oh wow. My house is really good on this. Oh, that was a terrible flip. See you later. Yeah. The balance isn't too bad. Not as good as the raw stripe, but see if it's good for birds. Oh yeah. Very good for birds. Cannot land my whirlwinds today. And finally to the frostbite. I like this two-way fade from the purple to the white. It's really cool. And even in the white, there's still little specks of purple. So, let's see how this one plays. So, it's definitely more tacky than the gummy. It's good for tracking. It's the whirlwind, but overall these are really good kendamas. I recommend you buy from Kendama. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.